Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airtable API for custom app sync, full guide step by step clearly. To enable the Airtable API for custom app synchronization, start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base that you wish to sync with your custom app. On the top right corner of the base, click on the help icon, which resembles a question mark. From the drop-down menu, select API documentation. This action will redirect you to the Airtable API documentation page for your base. Here, you will find an overview of your base's structure, including tables and fields. Scroll to the section labeled Authentication. You'll need to generate an API key if you don't already have one. To create an API key, go to the Airtable account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Select Account from the menu to access your account settings. In the account settings, locate the API section. Here, click on the Generate API Key button. Once generated, copy your API key and store it securely. Now, return to the API documentation page. Locate the base ID, which is displayed in the URL of the API documentation. Copy the base ID for later use. Next, choose your preferred programming language or environment to interact with the API. If you are using a JavaScript setup, install the Airtable SDK using npm. Run the command npm install Airtable in your terminal. After installation, import the Airtable library into your project. Use the copied API key and base ID to set up your Airtable connection. Initialize Airtable with the line const Airtable equals require Airtable. Create a new Airtable instance with the following code: const base equals new Airtable API key your underscore API underscore key dot base your underscore base underscore ID. Now, you can start making API calls to fetch or send data to Airtable. Review the available endpoints in the API documentation to understand how to interact with your data. Execute a simple GET request to retrieve records from a specific table. Use the method base table underscore name dot select to get started. This is the core process for enabling Airtable API for your custom app sync. Make sure to handle any errors or connectivity issues appropriately in your code. Finally, test your integration to confirm that data is syncing correctly between your app and Airtable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.